Switzerland could become the first country to completely ban medical testing on animals. Voters head to the polls after animal rights groups gathered enough support to stage a referendum in the country, which hosts a huge pharmaceutical sector. The results of the referendum will be binding. Renato Wendley is a doctor from northeast Switzerland who launched the initiative.
Animals should not suffer for the sake of humans. It's simple. Our opponents have said animal testing is necessary for scientific reasons. But we have spoken to the people who develop research methods, and they have come to a completely different conclusion. Animal experiments for scientific reasons are very questionable and lead to volatile results. Using animals as instruments is difficult because they have moods, emotions, a psyche.
Wendley says research methods such as biochips, tiny chips that host large numbers of biochemical reactions, computer simulations or microdosing of humans would be more effective alternatives. According to government research, more than 550,000 animals died in laboratory tests in 2020 in Switzerland. The pharmaceutical sector has warned the move could force companies and researchers to relocate abroad. Pharma bosses also say that an animal testing ban could lead to the end of new drugs. Maurice van der Broek of the University of Zurich conducts research that implements tumours into mice to study how their immune system can be strengthened to fight cancer.
I think to be an example for the world, Switzerland should not move away from animal experiments, but rather be very transparent, inform the public what we are doing, why we are doing it, how we are doing it, so make people understand the necessity of this type of experiments.
The ban is not expected to pass. The latest opinion polls show only 26% of voters are in favour. Wendley, however, remains hopeful.
We will try to bring more moderate proposals forward. And with 100,000 signatures, we can trigger another referendum in Switzerland. We will again try to convince the voters if we lose. But I still hope there will be a surprise.